CryptoSlo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
CryptoSlo here with some more crypto gains. So we are in the tutorial on Digibyte mining, and we are assuming that you watched the first video, which was setting up your core wallet and getting it synced so that you're ready to send and receive coins. Step 2 is to join a pool. In my case, I found an easy pool with zero fees is digibyte-mining.field.com. So I've got the link down in the description. So go to digibyte-mining.field.com and set up a account. Once your account is set up, you need to create a worker. So the worker is your computer so that your computer can be identified on the network. So this is a pretty easy concept because in video 3 we're going to install the miner, and that's where we're going to configure your miner to point with your worker to the mining pool. So go to the website, set up your worker, set up your account, and then once you do that, you're going to be down here. Here's the dashboard. You're going to go to My Account, and you're going to click on My Workers. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to see an area, user, and worker password. So what you do is you create a user, say my Digibyte or Digi1. Create a password, doesn't matter what it is, Digi1. And then you're going to hit add a new worker. And once you add your worker, it's going to appear over here with your password, whatever your password is. I usually turn the monitor on so that you get notifications, and then you hit update worker if you want to make any changes to it. So that's it. You join the pool, you create a worker. Now notice how you have your login name and then your worker name. So your one login name can have multiple workers, and the workers, like I have a Slowbot, right? I could have Slowbot 2, Slowbot 3, Slowbot 4. Those would all be separate PCs running in this pool. So with that being said, my full worker name would be CryptoSlo.Slowbot1. So this is key. So know your account name and your worker name, and that's it. So in the next video, we'll be talking about configuring your miner and actually getting some coins. This is CryptoSlo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.